Hello, welcome to the Panda Technical Analysis series. Last time we discussed regarding the SMA and EMA calculation, how Panda Technical Analysis Library used for the EMA and SMA. If you want to see that tutorial, just click on this above link, then video will come. But in this lesson, we will discuss the RSI calculations using Panda TA. Panda TA is library. You have to install that library, then you have to use that library. So we pull the data which is present in Excel. Then we filter the data as a close. Right? You have pull the data. Now we click on help ta.rsi to see by default how much length is taking. So by default is taking a 14 length. We can change the length of the RSI, then we verify on it chart. So I run this code. Let's see what happened. So we have two columns here, RSI 14 and 28. I manipulated the length of RSI here. So you will see closing is here and 14 RSI is 52.4 and 28 length RSI is 48.31. So we will verify whether it is giving good or bad result Python library. So I have opened this chart in Angel 1. So on, you can say we have to go in. Okay, on chart we see on 7 February 25, we will see here the RS is 28 is 48.31 on the, you can see the left corner, this one window here. You will see here 48 point something and 52 point here on 7 February. You see 52.24 and 48.31 on 7th February 25. So exact calculated by this one code, the library code. So in this tutorial, so we have summary, we have calculated the RSI and we manipulated the length and displaying, and using the help.ta we have see the RSI calculation method, and scalar is 100, default is 14 and taking the close price. In next tutorial we will discuss the MACD and Bollinger Band. Please like and subscribe my channel for motivation and making the other video. Thanks.